This beautiful face will go away on January the 25th. Snap camera is going down. So I've decided to ask ChatGPT and artificial intelligence to help me find a good alternative to Snap camera, because with Google alone I couldn't find. I found some things, but they were not good. So I also tried to find a way with OBS, OBS the software, and to record a part of the screen to use, for instance, in Zoom, with the filters in Zoom or in Google Meet. So to capture this part of the frame, but it's complicated. I would like, and I'm sure you do if you use it, I would like a software free, okay, free, and that can create a virtual camera, a virtual webcam, so that I can use it on other software such as OBS and other chatting tools, but OBS for me. So let's ask ChatGPT. No, just ChatGPT. What about, do you know, is Snap Cam really closing down? So the name is Snap Camera. So, alors, here, you have a problem, because they say, I'm not aware of any current plans for Snap Camera to be closing down. As of my knowledge cut off in 2021, Snap Camera was still in operation and being actively developed. However, I would recommend checking the official blah blah. Okay, but now we can make it a search. 10 results anytime, no past months. Okay, I would like donc, is Snap Camera closing down on the 20? Huh? So we know the answer, but we would like an alternative. So first we need to, in the conversation, to make it aware of that. So according to various sources, including Snapchat report, Snapchat camera will be shutting down on January 25, and we are today on January 25. The camera app, which allows users to apply filters to their faces while on video calls, will no longer be available to use or download after this date. The company has not provided an official reason for the shutdown, but it is speculated that the return to in-person work and decrease in demand for the app may have played a role. Whatever. Some alternative apps that provide similar functionality include Zoom, Skype, and Google Meet. So those are not the similar functionality, because Google Meet, when you use it, you can apply things in a Google Meet, but it doesn't provide you with a virtual webcam, which was the only things of Snap Camera. So Zoom, Skype, and Google Meet are applications for webinars, for online meetings, virtual meetings, but not just for having a virtual webcam with a filter applied. So now, what are good alternatives to Snap Camera? This is a question we've been waiting for. So an error occurred. So you know what happened? So when this happens, we reload and we lose everything, but we can go back to the conversation. So now he has the memory of the conversation. So what are good alternatives to Snap Camera? And you can search. Some alternative: Zoom, Skype, no. Google Meet, no. You're wrong, it's so wrong. Manycam. Manycam is a webcam software that allows you to use multiple video sources, such as your computer webcam and your mobile device camera, during a video call. It also comes with a wide variety of filters and effects that can be applied to your video call. OBS. Yes, in fact, OBS could be a solution, but it needs to have some filters. But it could be a solution to create a virtual webcam to use in other things. OpenCV. OpenCV is an open source library for image processing and computer vision. You can use it to create your own filters and effects and use them in any video conferencing software. Oh, so OpenCV. This one I've never heard of. Manycam, I've heard about it, but I didn't try it. So now we have some leads. Manycam and OpenCV. So what they say about OpenCV? In fact, OpenCV, it's a library, a developer library. You can see it here. Yeah. So of course they are talking about AI because it's for developers. So AI consulting, OpenCV. Smart camera with hardware, OpenCV face recognition. Important to recognize the face so you can apply filters live. So OpenCV 4.7 is not available. So what we need to find is an application for OpenCV which uses OpenCV. Maybe there is a sample application from themselves to show off the features of their library. Because the library alone is not much use. I'm not going to code the app. But maybe if they could make an app, that would be nice. But that's not what they're all about. They're about providing the code, the library, and then the SDK, and then the others can use it to do other things. So maybe there is a showroom or an example. Platform, courses, no. Services. What about services? No. So OpenCV seems like something that could work, but they will not provide the tool. Maybe they will provide a page where they show off their users' apps, and one of them could be something interesting for us. So keep in mind OpenCV and find more. And now we have Minicam. Is it free? And can it do what we want? So let's try it. So here you have it. They say Minicam 8.0. So you can see it's in French. So we want it in English here. Because I cannot read French. I don't know why they put French. I have nothing to do with French whatsoever. Welcome to what about the pricing? I don't see free. One device, virtual background, and it's not even available. What they're talking about? 679 per year? No. Picture in picture, but those are not good. We want the real deal. Chroma key. So this looks like crap. Honestly, no filter. Let's see what they boast about. What can they do? Because if it's to change the color or to blur the background, who cares? No? We want avatars. Live avatar, just like this one, cartoon or other things, maybe better things. So please, I don't think it's a good answer. I don't see any things. It's just to improve, like look, I have no makeup filter, but I look so beautiful. Things like that. It's not our purpose. So please tell me what is the title of this video. Maybe I should use that. What is the best free alternative to Snap Camera? And don't tell me there is an error, please. An error code. So I will have to Voila. So I will have to reload again and get back to the conversation. And what is the best free alternative to Snap Camera? Don't despair, viewer. We will find out. So let's say we want only the past months and 10 results. Or what is the best free alternative to Snap Camera? Because maybe someone somewhere wrote something about that. So he will help us find. According to various sources, Snap Camera will be shutting down on January 25. As an alternative, users can continue to use lenses on their computer with Snapchat for web. Yes, but Snapchat for web is not good. Because it's just like Google Meet or other things. It doesn't provide a virtual webcam. So that's not what we're after. And then other alternatives include Zoom, Skype, Google Meet. Same crap. And we get the same answer. Minicam, OBS, OpenCV. Now you have more. Aperture, Moment Pro camera, Muse Cam, Split Cam, and other camera apps that offer similar features and effects, but they are only available on specific platforms like iOS or Android. Yes, I don't know if it's good, I mean, this is another thing to think about, because we have our phone. The phone can be a webcam. We have tools to connect the phone and make it a virtual webcam. We can do that, we can find it. Then, on the phones, you have a lot more apps for funny effects. So maybe that will be a solution, not to use the webcam of the computer, but to use our phone and have it as a virtual webcam. So in this case, we will need to search for apps Because then after, once you have the apps, it doesn't matter. You just screencast the phone to your computer and use it as a virtual webcam. So if the app is not limited in time, you can use that. But that's, yes. But I like the software installed on the desktop, such as Snap Camera, which was on macOS and Windows. Well, I like that, so I wanted that, but it seems like there is nothing, or maybe with OpenTV. But OpenTV is a library, maybe the one who make apps, use OpenTV and include it in their apps. So additionally, some users are building their own Snap Camera alternative software, specifically targeting at streamer. It's worth trying out a few different apps to see which one best fits your needs and preferences. So I will ask you, tell me more about which alternative software is being built by some users. Do you have more information about that or no? Maybe because I forgot to mention Snap Camera again. Because this plugin that I have, which allows ChatGPT to ask internet, in fact, it makes my prompt different. So you see now, I didn't mention Snap Camera, so it doesn't remember about it. Why? Because first there has been a web search for my prompt, then some result has been scrapped from Google, and everything has been included to create a new prompt from me. So my prompt has the result of this search, and it's asking ChatGPT to answer using those results. So in fact, if you put if your prompt doesn't have every word, when there is a search, it will be a general results. Like they will search for, tell me more about alternative software being built by users. So the search will not have something relevant to Snap Camera, and so the answer of ChatGPT will not have something interesting also for me. So you need to build a better prompt when you are using the web feature. So now I added that, and I ask it, and it should be a bit better, but not sure about that. It depends if it can find blog articles talking about real new alternative software, then yes. So Snap Camera, a desktop app created by Snapchat that allows users to apply filter effects to their videos on video calls and live streams, is shutting down on January 25, 2023. As per the recent Snapchat announcement, the decision, okay, but why are you talking about? Yes, the decision to shut down the app has caught some users off guard, and it's me. But I knew since, I don't know, 1 month or less. But still, why? Why close it? This has prompted users to look for alternatives, and some users have started building their alternatives. It should be noted that some users have found a way to isolate the app and cache the lenses for offline use. So yes, I've seen that already. I've seen there is a way to keep your filter and the app working. I know that. I didn't do it. You have to do some things to isolate the app so that it cannot update and shut down. Yes, there exists, and you need to do it before so you can save your lenses, all the filters. I know that. I didn't do it because I don't want to do it. I don't care. I want an alternative, and I will use this alternative. No, I don't want to hack. If they want to close down, so bye Snapchat anyway. I don't use Snapchat. I was just using their software. They don't want to do it anymore. Go and get lost. Who cares? There are always alternatives. So maybe, of course, this will prompt users to start building their alternatives. And you see, you have the reference 8. So it means in the result is number 8. And number 8 is Reddit, Snap Camera comment. So then you can go here and just click on it. Click and it goes to the reference. So it's good. You can search like this. This video will not give you the answer you're looking for, but you know that it's possible. And if you're interested in isolating the app, then search for this and do it now, because we are today. It's today. After it will be too late, or maybe not. Maybe some user will give a download package of the isolated app, which can be installed and with all the filters. Who knows? I don't know. And I don't care. I don't want to use Snap Camera anymore. If they want to shut it down, whatever. But this cartoon, they didn't invent the cartoon. It's a script already available, open source, to make Disney cartoons. So just need some developer, wanted to do an open source project, and it can happen. It will happen. soon, or maybe it's already happening, but I don't know where to find it. See, look here. I am building a snap camera alternative focused on streamers. So who cares if it's streamers or not? Hope to have 1 or 2 filters up by January 25. So this is one person who is building it. I really wanted to build something for creators for my next project. I was looking into streaming and eventually found Snap Camera. Augmented reality is a super fun space to work in and pretty cool that I found an... Okay, so it's called Live Cab. Sign up for beta here. January 21, proof of concept of fast tracking plus overlay in OBS. Oh. Sunglasses working with on-off toggle. Okay, so it's a plugin for OBS maybe? I wouldn't mind because I have OBS and I use it. But just to put sunglasses is just it's a bit weak. But if it's working, then face tracking is working. He's on the right path. So you can follow him at twitter.com/livecabstream or sign up for beta live.cab. I will do that. So you see, this video kept its promise. We found the alternative. Why not go there and see what it is? He seems motivated. He seems to be from East Asian, so they are very clever there. And yes, it can be a good product because there's a need now. So whatever, I don't mind. Maybe this one or another one, but we found one. We found one to try and test and forget about Snap Camera. Who cares? They want to shut down, but shut down and shut down yourself too. Huh? Shut down yourself. To the boss at Snapchat, who cares about them? Why they don't release it open source? Because they are greedy and they should close down themselves. That's why. If you close down something, you don't want to use it, then release it open source, because they use open source things all the time as developer. So the company is so greedy. I don't like that. Snapchat, I don't like. So now, positive note, and thank you ChatGPT, and thank you artificial intelligence, and thank you Snap Camera for all the good days we had together. It was fun. Now I think you want to close down. Let's do it. Let's do it. Today is the 25th, so let's close down now. Bye bye.